Hi, my name is Kate. Thank you for your interest, and I wish you good vision. Using recipes, a group of parameters, or configuration data, can be sent to the process, in order to obtain a specific process behavior. To obtain the same product at different times, it is convenient to load the set of specific settings for that process, from an archive, and send it to the plant. As the set point set in each section changes, the final characteristics of the product change. An example of a recipe could be the set of temperature set points of the sections of a tunnel kiln for firing ceramics. These values can be stored for reuse, whenever the need arises. The list of gates that make up the recipe is defined recipe model. From the same model, it is possible to derive different recipes, each of which contains different values, depending on the behavior to be obtained from the process. The folder contains the defined recipe templates. Let's now create a new recipe template. Let's choose the parameters, or variables, that will make up the model of our recipe. Let's run our application now. It is possible to define infinite recipe models. For each model, it is possible to create infinite recipes. Let's create a new recipe for product A. Let's define its parameters. Let's create a recipe to import modified parameters directly on the system. Let's import the values from the plant. Let's create the product B recipe, copying it from product A. Let's define its parameters. We can define a recipe to run at system startup. Let's now create a recipe management template. From the Advanced menu, let's choose the Recipe Manager object. Let's run the application. Let's call up the recipes template. It is also possible to manage the recipes, using the functions of the internal code. A complete set of recipe management is available among the APIs. Thanks for your attention. For more information, I invite you to browse our site or send us an email. See you at the next tutorial. Have a nice day.